how to fix error on RG45chess.com. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to fix error on RG45chess.com. To fix the problem, open the web browser and enable the incognito mode on the browser. Now, use the search bar to search for chess.com support. Here, click on the first website as shown on the screen. Then scroll down and you will see the frequently asked questions. At the top, click on Contact Us and select the Contact Support. Next, choose the Report a Bug option and it will show you different topics. If it is not showing your issue here, you can select My Issue is Enlisted option. After that, hit the Report a Bug button and enter your email address in the given area. Lastly, add your suggestion for a bug report to fix the error RG45chess.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.